Hi, this is James and welcome to Geekstronomy. This is our unboxing video of the Star Trek Klingon Bird of Prey HMS Bounty from Star Trek 4. This Hallmark ornament is an exclusive event ornament, only available San Diego Comic-Con, New York Comic-Con, and limited supplies were available online. So your last chance to get this bad boy is going to be at New York Comic-Con, which takes place in 2 weeks in New York City. Well, it's New York Comic-Con, so yeah. Anyway, but it's a nice black box. I do like the pop-minded boxes. They're black and I don't know. I like them better than the white Hallmark boxes, but that's me. This is limited to 3,750 pieces. So let's open it up and see inside. This is the first I'm actually seeing this ornament, so this is going to be great for me too. This metal ornament weighs 7 ounces. I weighed it on a scale. So it is definitely, as Hallmark calls it, a branch breaker. This is gorgeous. It is definitely lighter in color to the original Klingon Bird of Prey that Hallmark put out some years ago. It doesn't light up, doesn't play music, doesn't have words. It's just a piece of metal. Let's see, and you can see there'll be still pictures in with the print review, but you can see in there that it says HMS Bounty. This is really cool. If you remember the story of Star Trek 4, the movie opens up with them on Vulcan, hiding out after stealing and losing the Enterprise, making the decision to return to Earth. And McCoy named the ship the HMS Bounty. But I like how it is in attack configuration with the wings out. It's really a very nice ornament. Hallmark does an excellent job. I mean, they make some beautiful stuff. We'll be having a unboxing of the Millennium Falcon, which is also a metal ornament. That one's actually even heavier than this. It weighs 12 ounces. So we'll have that one coming up soon. Please follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and on our website, www.geekstronomy.com. And yeah, so this has been the unboxing video. I mean, really not much to it. Solid piece of metal. And a gorgeous sculpt. It's great for really any time of year. I mean, it doesn't have to be a Christmas ornament. Star Trek fans can display it on a shelf, on a desk. They make ornament hangers. I mean, of course, Hallmark makes ornament hangers so you can display your ornaments all year round, you know. Anyway, yes, follow us Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and as always, my friends, stay geeky.